Let us see how you can create an automation flow based on missed calls received on your virtual number. Go to the Webhooks option, select your virtual number, click on Add Webhook. Now go to the Automations Builder, create a new workflow, enter the name of the workflow, click on the plus icon, select the webhook trigger, enter a name and generate a webhook. Now click on this to copy the webhook. Paste the URL of the webhook, select the event of missed calls and enter a title. Click on Add Webhook. Now give a missed call on your virtual number, but before that click on Capture Incoming Webhook so you can receive the sample data. Now you can see you'll get the destination mobile number or the person who has basically called you, or the caller mobile number and few more details. The circle details might not be correct, but the caller ID would be correct of your caller. Click on Save. Now in the next step, you can trigger a WhatsApp message by using the CRM functionality and sending the message, or you can create various other flows like sending the data to Google Sheet, all from the data that you have received in the incoming webhook. Thank you.